Hi, my name is Ashley. I am interning this year at a residential addiction program for women and their children. It can also include women who are pregnant, and they use a gender-responsive and trauma-informed treatment approach. What am I hoping to get out of this experience? One of the biggest things that I'm hoping to get out of it is better boundary making skills and more confidence. My supervisor has informed me that many times I might be approached with people who are trying to have different rules made for them, and that I'll need to be maybe not the word firm, but a little more confident and create strong boundaries with the clients. I expect this placement to be different in many ways, actually. First of all, I'll be working with adults. And second of all, I'll be working with adults with addiction and trauma, both of which I haven't worked with before. I also feel that I'll have a lot more responsibility at this placement. I'll have my own set of clients as well as 2 groups that I'll be running. Additionally, there will be team meetings each week where myself and the other clinicians will meet to discuss cases and give assistance to each other as far as how we should move forward with treatment. I'm really looking forward to this class and being with everyone to work through our last and final internship, and I hope everyone enjoys their experience.